Looking for a smoker that delivers consistent results without the hassle? The Masterbuilt Propane Smoker promises to keep your cooking temperature steady, thanks to its precise temperature sensor that controls the burner automatically. Imagine smoking your favorite brisket while the smoker maintains the perfect heat between 217 and 220 degrees. No guesswork involved. What sets this smoker apart is more than just temperature control. It features a safety valve that instantly shuts off the burner if the flame goes out, giving you peace of mind during those long smoking sessions. Plus, the tank fuel level gauge keeps you informed about how much propane you have left, so you're never caught off guard. With 4 chrome-coated smoking racks and a powerful 15,750 BTU stainless steel burner, you get plenty of space and heat to handle everything from ribs to brisket with ease. I was surprised by how straightforward it was to assemble. The unit doesn't feel cheap like some others in this price range. The front control panel took a moment to get used to, but Masterbuilt's detailed YouTube tutorial, including screw identification and step-by-step guidance, made setup smooth. A quick tip from my experience: after turning off the burner, remember to also close the propane tank valve. It's a common oversight that can cause ignition issues, especially when seasoning the smoker for the first time. Temperature control is impressively accurate, holding within 5 degrees of the set point. I tested it with a meter probe that verifies ambient temperatures, and the readings were very close. This smoker is already proving its worth on my first brisket cook, maintaining a steady temperature throughout. It's clear that the Masterbuilt Propane Smoker offers reliable performance right out of the box. If you want a smoker that balances safety, ease of use, and precise temperature control, this model deserves a look. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pitmaster, it simplifies the smoking process without sacrificing quality. Try it when you're ready to elevate your barbecue game with confidence.